Board sakai Yomusiang Kimusniang CMC. Board Balang Shnong me meant to do. Balang Shnong Sarini Colony. Balang Shnong Mustem. Balang Shnong Yong Nok. Balang Shnong Madang Terpai. Balang Shnong Moput. Balang Shnong Samanong. Balang Shnong Sominting. Mosa Lingkat Dong Isni Sararo CMC. Mokerdo Tendo Opong CMC. Saint Teresa's Convent Moralong. GSH Convent Mementudu. Saint Mary Mazerelo Convent Jowai. Boskopnar Mementudu. RC Eve Secondary School Mementudu. Saint Ramba Paris Jowai. Saint Samla Paris Jowai. Saint Kentay Paris Jowai. Saint ki head catechist Jowai Diocese. Janja Hills Development Society. Saint Duke Kisai Ramba Jowai Diocese. Saint Duke Kentay Jowai Diocese. JTCYM Association of Salesian Cooperators Jowai Center. Saint Teresa's Cathedral Choir. Centenary Celebration Volunteers Committee Cathedral Parish Jowai. Catholic Association Jowai Diocese. Council of Nurses Guild of India Jowai Diocese. Balang Shnong Nong Kenri Kashnong Jong Imada Hilarius Lamare. Mentala de Tom Kino Kibala Penkre Kibala Ra Ya Kisantiu Batumju Wakar Banam Ready Ya Baro Kiban Bu Santiu Mentala Kenti Abatai Dia Dijinja Dia Dimati John Father Hilarius Nilar Ban declared by Father Hilarius E.J. priest of the century. Banenta Uslam, Bade Uslam Jubilee, Nilaruban declared by Father Hilarius E.J. priest of the Jubilee year. Kadang Nagtizaman Nabarong, happiness shared is the flower.
Ipai Bilmet dan dilipat ke dalam barang papel tunjuk lagi Paralog kami Banananem to drive to be done the Lord to drive. Itiang kaya today sa mga kasi dalam yung kita kami akan kasih bah lebron satu dia ukara space join kami dua. Nanti akan kita ini dalam sub district was something prescribed. Untuk akan kita ini dalam yang prescribed. Iwan ani kita filosofi kita dikarno dong pada dari kerja pameskin ini pun besar besar lawan ani ai boleh kado ai boleh sekolah minta dong pada ini pada Yesus kemat dong boleh dia dibuat ini pada kenal ini mereka untuk Paris ini.
Ayah ini hal kerten John School Catholic Barokot kibahal atau Kursa John Cathedral Parish Juwai. Pada hari Bos Laulam, Lord Kejikarno John Father Hilarius Lamare Parish Priest Cathedral Parish Juwai. Juwai, komplain. Hotel look yang AKA Barok, berkait baru berpamit di bagi next camp. Bawa pada Hilarius, ubaladon hak di Mabren, berkui di bagi di Barok di Biadon Anis.
Yang ini aku tengok di pada jelas oleh Isis Juan dan I akan message kuas bulan bagi karno dan pada Hilarius kemarin, but when I give a message dan English, kemudian haniru kita langsung komunikasi ke semua dia, but kalau kita boleh dengan kerja lagi dan bonus video harap tengok yang jalan jual. Condolence message at the funeral of Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare. Precious in the sight of the Lord is the death of his faithful servant, from Psalm 116, verse 15. Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, today our hearts are heavy, and we are deeply saddened to bid farewell to our beloved priest, Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare. It is difficult to find the right words to express the pain and sadness we feel at his passing. Yet, amid a grief, we are filled with deep gratitude. Gratitude for the gift of his life, his vocation, and his mission in the church. Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare was a man of deep faith, quiet strength, and unwavering dedication. He served as a priest for 42 years, 8 months, and 19 days. His long years of his priestly life and ministry was marked not by grand gesture, but by simple acts of love, humility, and service. He was always there, whether it was in the early hours of prayer, preparing for Mass, visiting the sick, guiding the youth, or listening patiently to those in pain. He gave himself completely to the people entrusted to his care. His presence brought peace, his smile brought warmth, and his example brought inspiration. He was a prolific writer, a veteran preacher, a generous pastor, a man of vision, and a great motivator and inspiration among the priests, especially the younger ones. We remember his tireless commitment. Even when he was weary, he continued to serve with a generous heart. It was he who initiated the construction work of the Cathedral of Diocese.
Jadi mulai sekolah menjadi baru, kita lawan pada dan bentang dari segi
Kasagap kekislo si kislo sanay. Agabang yalum banlay pantet kikalag padansa yung lenggo soblay being at pagkodo juni Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare. Lakay yung Father Hilarius Lamare hagas ng Longenry hagas ni 3 October kakanday Sanduar. Uday ukul baan yung umatalan dakar pat kaloyta Lamare. Udang saungot sipara mauuday ukul baan yung imay ipa. Laingot kisenang bat kaway kepada centay. Ikli pa yung ukilarong siya kabarang Kristan Katolik. Abaw lagap katways nem karata. Napagapis yung udaw pada tome. Bat ulakupat nakakarteng Hilarius Lamare. Nakakarteng pa rin ulat Lamare.
Ngayon ini na kayong kasama ko po nakar kantam di dekha yung na hisket tato uman upayong pada to manu uma uo yung ini kahana ko wa kana kacik haji to wa upada khilaf haji to wa dekha yung kakam jingkit jawa wa kana naru udelan haru ude ko khana sapang kesing dong kada do kor kan hian do ko kan kang ko kada korang he kor kan kang do kasasi wong wa tiket do kada dong kan ni kadanya kai kam dikena kam diksu yogi sakhi wa hajimai luti kali kam kam hora jo isang kada Kawan sini separis, jo penyo kata kaya cemperan, jo penyo itu mesin kuat, operasi untuk mesin.
Kita mencoba di pembelaan mesin, menambah mempulih merok menara ketua kansah ini, sehingga mempulih kansah beli nanti di sebuah di Seoul kita berjaya. Boleh tentang beliau dan Islam Archdiocese dan di Archbishop Victor Lendor. Timur Reverend Ferdinand Bekar, Bishop of the Royal Diocese. Condolence message on the passing of Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare. Dear Your Excellency, it is with great sorrow that we receive the news of the passing of Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare, who left this world today, 5th October 2025. His departure is a profound loss, not only to the Archdiocese of Shillong, but also to the entire Diocese of Jowai, where his legacy of faith, dedication, and service will be remembered for generations. Father Hilarius Lamare served the Church with unwavering commitment for many years. Within the Archdiocese of Shillong, he carried out his priestly ministry in various capacities. As parish priest and assistant parish priest in several parishes, always tending to the spiritual and pastoral needs of the faithful with humility and compassion. His contribution as the Dean of Studies of St. Paul's Seminary shaped the lives of many young seminarians who went on to serve the Church, while in his role as the Vicar General of the Archdiocese of Shillong, he made marked by wisdom, leadership, and a deep sense of responsibility towards the mission of the Church. We thank God for the gift of his life, his priesthood, and the lasting impact he has left on the Church and the people he served. His memory will live on in the hearts of all who knew him. On behalf of Shillong Archdiocese, we offer a heartfelt condolences to the family members, his fellow clergy, and all those who mourn his loss. May the good Lord, whom he so faithfully served, grant him eternal rest and welcome him into the joy of his heavenly kingdom. We assure you of our humble prayers for him and for the Diocese of Joy. Most Reverend Victor Lundor, D.D., Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese. Menta Nantuli Yagade the condolence message na isri konrak sama Chief Minister Jong Meghalaya. Condolence. I am deeply pained to learn of the passing of Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare, parish priest of Joy, West Jaintia Hills, a humble servant of God and a devoted shepherd. Father Lamare devoted his life to the spiritual growth of the church and the upliftment of society. For more than 4 decades, Father Lamare served God and his people with unwavering faith and dedication. His ministry spanned several parishes, including Umsolai, Mautawat, Mauthar, Namdong, and the cathedral parish Laikukra, Shillong, where his compassion and commitment touched innumerable lives. Beyond parish ministry, Father Lamare provided exemplary leadership as Vicar General of the Archdiocese of Shillong, Diocesan Administrator of the Diocese of Jowai, and later as parish priest of the Cathedral Parish Jowai. A man of wisdom, humility, and deep faith, he also enriched the church through his writings and literary contributions. As we bid him farewell, we celebrate a life lived in service, faith, and love for the community. His passing leaves a void that will be deeply felt by all who knew him. May the Almighty grant eternal rest to his noble soul, bestow comfort upon the bereaved family and all who mourn his loss. May his legacy continue to inspire generations. With deepest sympathy, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And police condolence message na Sri Snow Bahalang Dahar, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Condolence message. I am deeply saddened to learn of the sudden demise of Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare, parish priest of Cathedral Parish Jowai. It is hour of grief. I extend my heartfelt condolence to the Catholic community of Meghalaya. Since his ordination in 1983, he has served the Catholic institution to the best of his ability and will always be remembered in the hearts and minds of all those who loved him. In Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare's death, we have lost a respected priest. I offer my heartfelt condolences to his bereaved family and his near and dear ones on this sad occasion. May God give you strength to bear this loss and may his soul rest in peace. Sincerely, Snow Bahalang Dahar, Deputy Chief Minister, Meghalaya. The condolence message by Sri Wailat Mikishila, local MLA. Condolence message. I am sorry to hear the news about the sad demise of our beloved Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare, the parish priest of St. Teresa's Cathedral, Parish Joy. My deepest sympathies and condolences to the entire Diocese of Joy and his family at this time of grief. My prayers for Joy Diocese and his family, that God would console you all with his grace and love as you deal with this loss. May his soul rest in peace. Yours, Shri Walat Niki Shilla, MLA, 2nd Joy Constituency. In the Lord's name, Ilayo Shibon, the condolence message, Ibangamla Banpule. The message, like a Cathedral of Mary Helper Christian, Lung Bengkong, Light Mukha, Shillong, Nara Catholic Association of Shillong Archdiocese, Nara past pupils of Savio LP School, Shillong, Kabaj Kaba, Kakandai Dua Dan Reu, Nara Mahon, Kuit Yakawa Mentedu, Nara Diocesan Fraternity Shillong Archdiocese, Nara Office of the Unitarian Church Joy, Nara Saint Right Joy Lamba Ima Oar Kalam, Nara Balam Saint Michael and All Saints Church of North India Joy, Nara Editorial Board of Kaying Kristan Shillong, Nara Kasi Jantia Christian Leaders Forum Shillong, Nara Muslim Kat Dorbar Shillong, Naishri Karman Shilla MLA Liret, Nara Association John Catholic Operators Joy Center, Nara Diocesan Fraternity of Northeast India, Nara Office John Kaseng Kanpai Catholic Cathedral Parish Joy, Nara Upa Daloy Puraman Kenjing Daloy Ilka Joy, Naga Tome Memorial Higher Secondary School Moralong Joy, Naga Seng Samla Catholic Cathedral Parish Joy. We also acknowledge all condolence messages received from all provincials, superiors, head of institutions, and individuals. Ngai kublai ketibaro kibapa kubuat isnolan lamba kimasek kiwasap bat kiwai kiran. Kadadon kilo kiba kikumklet kimikrem kibaro kine kijing ai kublai isnolan jompi bat isyamu iti hadu batata. Kota itu ai pada Hilarius Lamare tidak ai bom jukun. In that time, everything is true.
The curtain Jongimos, Reverend Ferdinand the car, Bishop Jumi, but at the curtain Jong the Diocese and Fraternity from the Joy Diocese. Nungkonge, what have you got for the Giton happening to be snowsy, but the Yam Rio? Nimla. And Ray, I know you play right and run, but I had a diocese training. But anyway, Judge Jingerku, but the Jingai do, Lenba, the Jingim, Jongi Pada, Hilarius, Lamari. The Jingim, Jongi Pada, Hilarius, along Shisha, the Jingerku. Yashibun given sim, given Sam Jinja, given Duk, given Rangli, but given Wat, given Shisha. Native, or what Mantan, who play what tip look, a Bajia Baro, who don't drink that button. Klar, you can found it is true, your bar of Kinam left Harjani. Lalu kepor baik pelan Hilarius telah kembang, but hadu kami kesini dua mentah. Even Bob is still Yagito Baro, Kilakarshan, Dan Pakistan, the government, but the Jingawai, Kokordor Junki. Namar, Rajari Kalapilarius, Labu, Apong ICU, Kumta, the Paragrimate, the Paralog, but you know that I cannot let you know. And Ray Walakata, like Jackson Rani, but Kishiyadon, Akabalanda ICU, but Kibalapan Tianyi, that of Ruan Shini. Kule Shibon Yakito Baro, Kibalano, Sunyang Kruit Mansiem, Nakalanta Kadisumar, Ya Ipala, Hilarius, Pagnakonta Kadingot Kadisak. Adi isni yang real ni.